Hello friends, in this video we will make this image a horror image. So let's start first select its face from this pen tool. Use pen tool and then use the path selection to select the face of this image and hairs of this image with this pen tool. Use this pen tool like this to select the body part, or you can say that face part with this tool, or you can use also another tool to select this body part, that is lasso tool or polygon lasso tool, or you can use also selection magnetic lasso tool. So I think this is a perfect tool to select for any type of any part of the image. So use this option pen tool and so select this image, right click on the image, then go in selection and feather radius 2, 3 or 4, adjust here, enter here and then click OK. You will see the image is selected. Then go in layer, new and select the layer via copy, shortcut key Ctrl J you can use, and then create the layer 1 with this face. You can say that body part we have selected recently. So now again select the background and now we will select the hair of this image with the pen tool, or you can use this lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool to select the hairs, but we will use this tool pen tool and select this path option and then select the hairs of this image with this tool like this. You should select this part very carefully so that we can change this part of hair, and similarly select from here another part using this pen tool and this. So it's a great time to learn all these things with this pen tool. So select this like this and then click right, make selection, then click OK. You will see both the selections are selected, and then use the layer, new layer via copy, shortcut key Ctrl Z, and see layer 2 with hair is created. Now we will apply some options of this Adobe Photoshop on layer 1 on his face. Go in layer, use this option new fill layer pattern. We will fill the pattern, enter the pattern, new file layer, here face pattern. You can give the name and then click OK. You will see the pattern print pattern layer is here, and then select the pattern you want to give to this image like this and set the scale from here and then click OK, and then merge this layer with layer 1. You can say that group the layer 1 and this face layer. Select this face layer and then go in layer option and group with the previous, shortcut key Ctrl+ G. You will see this will be merged with the layer 1, this pattern, and then go in this mode of face layer and select the option of overlay. You can use the overlay or you can use the color burn option to make the image like this. So I think you understand how to create this image. And then after, to merge the layer 1 and to face, select the face layer and then create link on layer 1 like this, and after that go in layer and click on the option merge linked to group all these, to merge all these layers, shortcut key Ctrl E. You will see both layers merged, linked layer and selected layer. So I think you understand how to merge or link these layers, and after that we will again create a new layer, blank layer, using this option shift Ctrl N. You can use shortcut key, a blank layer, enter the name face color. You can give the name to this layer face color. You can see that blank layer is here, and now use the brush tool and select from here the color, dark brown color from here, and then click OK and use here this brown color like this, and give from here the overlay option like this and fill the color in this face or in this part of the face. You can fill the color like this to make the image more horrible. So you can make this image like this. So I think you understand how to create this image. And now we will use another option. Go in custom shape tool and from here click here this point and select all custom shapes from here and click OK, and you will see all the layers of your this Adobe Photoshop custom shape will be available in this. You can see that, and select from here this custom shape and then draw this shape on here. But before drawing this, we have to create a separate layer. Click on this option to create a shape layer here and then draw like this shape, and you can fill the color from here. You can change or you can change the mode from here using this option. So give some attractive color burn. You can give the color burn, or you can increase the opacity from here. Increase the opacity from here like this. So I think you understand how to create this shape, and give here the color burn and increase the opacity 100, and you will see our image will be look like this. So I think you understand. After that, we will select his hair and use this option. Go in layer, click on new fill layer, solid color. Again click here, fill the solid color and enter the hair color, name of the layer hair color, and click OK. You will see the image will be look like this. And just to select the color of the hairs from here, like blue color, dark blue color, select the dark blue color, click OK, and merge layer 1 and hair color both. To merge, group, use this option, group with previous. So you will see the color of hair will be blue filled in this layer 2. We group with this layer 2, and then from here give the color. You can use this option color. You can use this option color to give the blue color to hair, or if you want to reduce the opacity from here, you can reduce the opacity of his hair from here. So I think you understand how to create this image in horror shape, in horror form with the options of this Adobe Photoshop. And then after, merge all these layers using this layer flatten image option. You will see all the options, all the layers are merged, and now your image look like this horrible image. I think you understand how to use option to create this horrible image.